Instructions for using GP10 replaceable battery module handheld air pump. Press the bottom of the air pump to eject the power battery for replacing the battery module. The battery module has added a function of displaying the battery level. At the bottom of the battery, there is a Type-C interface for battery charging. To install the battery, simply press it into the base snap. Install the S030 model spray pen on the air pump. The air pump has an active threaded female connector to twist the nut clockwise to tighten the pen body with the air pump. The white button on the body of the pump is used to control the start and stop of the air pump. Press it to begin spraying. In terms of design, the comfort of the grip has been adjusted to consider the different hand sizes and ages of people. It is also designed to be easy to use for people with smaller hands, such as teenagers and women.